hit her. Breathe, man.
She's still moving. Damn. Easy, girl. I'm not here to hurt you. Just keep walking. Come on, don't bolt now.
Right up on it. But she's crying. What are you trying to tell me, girl? It's in there. Locked tight.
Come on. Come on. There. One.
Oh my. That's a wolf pup. Easy, little one.
All right, baby. Let's go here. She sees you. Yeah, she's ready. Okay. Easy. There you go. Come on, buddy.
Hey, girl. Yeah. You're all right? There you go. Good girl. Wow, you're so sweet. Thank you for letting me be here. Thank you for saving your baby. You're beautiful.